What would you say when you meet someone for the first time?
I usually say like, hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? It's a friendly question.
Okay.
Gives them something to respond to, so it immediately opens up the field. Yeah.
It's an icebreaker there.
Yeah, an icebreaker,
Okay,
that's
okay.
the one. Yeah.
Anything else?
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
How is your day going?
How is your day going? What other things would be there other than how are you kind of?
If I'm meeting someone for the first time, I would be like, hey, my name is Dine. What's your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Hi, what is your name?
Anything else?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Where were you born?
I think it's very rude for you to be like assuming. I think it's more appropriate for you to come up to them and be like, hey, where are you from?
Where are you from?
And then they usually say ethnicity or where they're actually from, like country-wise.
When you meet someone for the first time. Hi. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? What is your name? Where are you from? Where were you born? The best way to remember what you learned is to use it. Go to Cake app and practice what you learned for free.